I came into investment banking because I just thought it was a fascinating career.
We strive to be the leading advisor for the most important governments, corporations, and financial institutions in the world.
You are with the client at the most important moments in their lives. You are with them every step of the way.
Whether it's helping clients to raise capital, whether it's restructuring businesses, or whether it's doing a merger, we help companies to grow and to thrive.
The associate plays a pretty important role at Goldman Sachs and oftentimes gets more opportunity than you might get in other situations.
At Goldman Sachs, we have an apprenticeship culture. The success of every senior person is defined by their ability to develop junior people.
I am surprised that I get involved in a Hong Kong IPO so early, and I'm very excited by the opportunity to have a lot of ownership in the project.
After joining us, quickly you will be put into projects doing all the commodity works.
That we get to do that at such a junior level and in such a high level because it's like direct interaction with the senior management of companies. It's very interesting and it's priceless. You don't get that in other companies.
When you get into the business of investment banking, you know you are going to be spending some time with financial analysis, but the vast majority of what we do is spend time with clients.
We have a very broad group of clients. It's sovereigns, it's corporations, it's private companies, it's other important, influential people in business.
Our business and investment banking is really built on figuring out how to invest in client relationships, how to show clients that we really are putting their interests as our priority in terms of giving advice.
After working with a client for about a month or so, the CEO of this multi-billion-dollar company turns to me and says, well, Vanya, what do you think we should do? To have somebody actually want to hear what you have to say as far as advice on how they're going to make the next step with their company is really satisfying.
Having a global platform at Goldman Sachs, you get the opportunity to work with different teams in different offices.
We just bring to bear a great diversity of views, right, and perspectives.
I don't think that any of the members of my team have a business background. I was a liberal arts major. I have an engineering major on my team.
That's going to bring diverse viewpoints and enable us to provide better advice.
One of the things that makes investment banking great is that we're a very collaborative culture.
We more often than not tend to make sure that we work across teams, across geographies, across products and services to make sure that we are always in touch with each other and making sure that we can provide the client with the best possible advice or service.
What we do definitely impacts the real world and the broader community.
Just seeing your client's name listed on one of the stock exchanges is a very rewarding experience.
It was important to me to come to a firm that certainly has a great franchise in investment banking, but has a number of different opportunities to pursue a long-term career.
You know, after 30 years, I'm still stimulated by it. I'm still meeting new people. I'm still growing. I'm still learning. And it's a terrific business because you can do it for a long, long time.
I see great opportunities for young bankers to make a difference, to make achievements to the growth of the economy.
It's going to be a very exciting daily job, a very exciting environment to work in, and it's going to be a huge learning experience.